Hello and welcome to this video on how crypto mining works. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin have gained a lot of attention in recent years, and mining these digital currencies has become a popular way for people to earn money. In this video, we will take a closer look at how crypto mining works, including the basics of mining, the hardware and software involved, and the economics of mining. So, without further ado, let's get started. Mining is the process by which new blocks are added to the blockchain of a cryptocurrency. A block is a record of recent transactions that have taken place on the network. These transactions are verified and then grouped together into a block, which is then added to the blockchain. To mine a block, miners need to solve a complex mathematical puzzle. The first miner to solve the puzzle and add the block to the blockchain is rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. This process is called proof of work, POW, and it is used by many cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Litecoin. To mine a cryptocurrency, miners need to have specialized hardware called mining rigs. These rigs are essentially computers that are optimized for mining, and they are equipped with powerful graphics processing units, GPUs, or application-specific integrated circuits, ASICs. GPUs are commonly used for mining, as they are relatively cheap and can be used for other purposes, such as gaming or video rendering. ASICs, on the other hand, are specialized hardware that is designed specifically for mining. They are more expensive than GPUs but are more efficient at mining, which means they can mine more cryptocurrency in less time. Once the mining rig is set up, miners need to download and run specialized software that connects them to the network and allows them to start mining. This software is called a mining client, and it is available for download from the cryptocurrency's official website. The mining client works by communicating with the cryptocurrency's network and requesting work to be done. The network then sends the miner a block to work on, along with the current target for the puzzle that needs to be solved. The miner then starts working on the puzzle by using their hardware to perform millions of calculations per second. The goal is to find a hash that is below the target. A hash is a unique identifier that is generated by the miner's hardware and is used to identify the solution to the puzzle. If the miner finds a hash that is below the target, they submit the solution to the network, along with the block they were working on. The network then verifies the solution and adds the block to the block. Economics of mining. So, now that we know how mining works, let's take a closer look at the economics of mining. Mining can be a profitable business, but it is also a competitive one. The more miners there are on the network, the more difficult the puzzles become, and the less profitable mining becomes. This is because the network adjusts the difficulty of the puzzles to ensure that new blocks are added to the blockchain at a consistent rate. Mining clients typically come with a graphical user interface that allows miners to monitor their mining progress and adjust their settings. They can also connect to mining pools, which are groups of miners who work together to mine blocks and share the rewards. Mining pools can be a good option for miners who don't have a lot of computing power or who want to reduce their risk. By working together in a pool, miners can increase their chances of solving a block and earning a reward. However, they also have to share the rewards with the other miners in the pool. In addition, the rewards for mining decrease over time. Bitcoin, for example, started with a reward of 50 bitcoins per block, but this reward is halved every 4 years. The current reward is 6.25 bitcoins per block, and it will continue to decrease until all 21 million bitcoins have been mined. To make mining profitable, miners need to consider the cost of electricity, hardware, and other expenses. They also need to consider the price of the cryptocurrency they are mining. If the price is high, mining can be very profitable, but if the price is low, mining may not be worth it.